Hi, I'm Patrick Phillips. I'm the Interim President at the University of Oregon. I'm out here talking to students and volunteers as we unpack the quack. Hey, good morning, Christian. It's wonderful to be with you. You've been helping out. I'd like to hear kind of what you've been doing and what your role is, and then how things have been going.
We are here to, facilitate move-in and help students and their families, move in and make the residence halls really feel like home.
Exciting day, everybody moving in.
Yeah.
Love to hear a little bit about what are you going to be telling your students this year as they come to school?
Get involved as fast as possible. I think a lot of freshmen struggle to find that. Find a club, find something, because there's just so much variety here of things you could be involved in.
Thanks for your help. Hey, I'm Patrick Phillips. I'm the president.
Nice to meet you. You're a freshman?
I'm a freshman, yeah, that's right. Yeah, just starting out.
Too close.
What advice would you have for your students? What are you thinking about when you start having your first conversations this year for them to have a successful year?
Very vital to have a good social support system, because the college academics, they are more challenging than the high school courses, and having a good support system there to back you up is probably my biggest advice.
Every week, do some personal health checks. Ask yourself, how am I doing today? Am I eating enough? Am I getting enough sleep? Things like that. And also you can do those checks with your educational goals, like, did I ask my professor a question in class today? One of the biggest voices that determines your future is your own.